AGM battery manufacturers come to HNV for various reasons, be it robust supply chain or best-in-class quality for AGM. One of the primary reasons they come to HNV is also for global application support.
We have people all around the world who knows the technology and locally can really support our customers.
We also have application specialists that can travel to the customers to work on any issues that may arise.
The global team can help solve our customers' problems locally.
We want to enable our customers to continue to push the envelope in performance and really be a resource and development partner to meet their future needs. And we look forward to doing that.
Reach out to HNV team to help you design the best battery possible or to troubleshoot any problems that you have.